In this video I will show you how to change candle colors on Exness chart. So it's very easy to do it. Firstly, open your chart and then you just want to right click anywhere on the chart. Then choose settings and you want to choose a symbol. So in the symbol settings you can see these candles, and from here you can change color of body, borders and wick. And basically those blue colors means candles which are showing you the price went up, and the opposite red colors are meaning the price moved down. So the blue ones are called bullish and the red one are bearish. So you can change it by clicking on this color tab, and let's say I want to make it green, so I will choose green. Just make sure to change all blue colors to green, and now you can see green candles instead blue ones. So you can also do same with the red ones. You can change it to yellow, let's say. And that's how you can change colors in Exness. Now let's say you want to go back to your standard colors. You can just click on this arrow to undo these steps. You just have to click it a couple of times and now you can have your default colors. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.